Welcome back to another video, traders, and if you're new to the channel, welcome to Trading Trends. We got a great video for you today looking at Sumo Logic, but before we get into that, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Alright, let's take a look at the chart. Here's the chart for Sumo Logic. This is a 4-hour 180-day chart here. The thing I like about this stock is that obviously they made a move and they have certainly come back down after that, and I think people are anticipating them to be revenue positive somewhere in here. That did not happen, and obviously we've seen tech sell off. But what I like about them is they came back down to this level around 1675 way back on March 25th. And even though the S&P and the NASDAQ have seen significant drops since then, the past 2 months, they've still been holding this level, and they're holding up fairly well. They've seen a couple pops. They've retested this several times, but they've been holding above this level here. And when I first started following this stock, let's say 6 months or so ago, it was off the break of a downtrend from what at that time was an all-time high, around $31. They hit this in September or so when the market was very, very strong. We had a pullback on the S&P going into October, and Sumo fell all the way down here to this same level before going on a very big run that lasted all the way up until, let's say, February. Eventually, they hit this all-time high at the end of January at 46.37. So now they're down here at 18 today, but with a low of 15. So really a third of the price. A significant discount. Still pre-revenue, but they have another earnings report coming up next month. Are they going to be revenue positive? Who knows? The point is that they should be breaking this downtrend very soon. When they do that, they see significant upside, and at the current price level, I think they're undervalued. This is a company that has grown well, and they will have upside at some point, which means future revenue is going to be priced in at some point. Whether the report shows it or not, I think this is a good price to pick it up. They've shown they have the legs to go higher before, and I just like tech stocks off the break of downtrends. They tend to get pops, and they tend to repeat history, especially when they're revenue positive. But I think growth stories are even better sometimes, and you have a company like this that is just on the cusp of becoming revenue positive. It only takes one good report. But I think the key for me here is just they're down at this level. This is as low as this chart goes. They came down to this level 2 months ago, and they're still holding it. So I think if the market can turn back up, if Sumo can get some good news, if they can have a slightly positive revenue report, if any one of these positive factors go in their favor, then it's number one, the break of the downtrend, number two, a little bit of momentum in their favor. You could see significant upside on this name in a relatively short amount of time, just because they've fallen so far pretty quickly here. So that's about it for Sumo. Check them out, read up on their product. They do a good job. This was tech hype. This is maybe a decent valuation, but there's certainly more upside ahead for this company. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like. It really helps out the channel with that YouTube algorithm. If you enjoy my content, subscribe. I make new videos on a regular basis, and if you want to see more of my face, you can check out my second channel, Tesla Trends, where I do new videos every single day with updated analysis on Tesla's chart. So if you're a Tesla fan, or if you like my analysis, you can check that out as well. Please, as always, let me know what you think about this video in the comments section, and what you think about what's going on in the market right now as well, guys. I love to hear feedback from subscribers and just get other people's opinions. It helps me with the way I think about things as well. So make sure you comment below. And as always, thanks you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.